Jess. Le kae batho?
Rona le kae?
Re teng.
Ke se semang?
Ke se se tsiama mahuma ko Bethane.
Mabethang.
Na mahuma ko Bethane sa re beo.
Okay. Le bone jwang papadi ya mamohla?
Ko re o itse keng ne? Papadi ya itshwenye mara as long as re na makhosi re winne haiwa.
Ne?
Hore re winne ha kae re jelo ha kae ke tsa lena tsa nna re winne.
O khatlile ke mama motla?
Khazu khatlile ke mang? Wamboro.
Obor. Asa o khatla Mfundo Villa guys?
Yeah. Nna ntle gore nna ke na sepe gore ke khatlile gore as long as re winne.
Ke a kwishisha.
Ke thaile ntse ba mpotsa re o itse makhosi le in a toxic relationship le Chiefs marabo.
Mamtlali win. Toxicity nyana e fedile.
Ai tshwanye re ntse le bana ba ntse le di relationship tsa bana tse toxic.
Ne? A ke a kusha
Ke a leboha.
Re a leboha. Come to Talking Football with D. Yes, we bone jwang papadi ya mamohla?
The winning boneng corner, yeah. Attitude, I like the attitude.
Yes.
Yeah, baby, compressive and then
Yes.
if ever singayang attitude so
Yes.
there's something that is gonna come out.
Yes, you can
But
win
then,
1 or 2
yeah,
trophies.
Maro Cruz, Mtande, Nikama Chiti chance,
Yes.
youngsters, sharp, right, sharp. But watch the space, which is like in Go Road.
Yes.
Which is like
Oh, he was good today.
Which is like on Nikim.
Yeah?
I'm Nikim.
22 years now.
No.
Adolf.
Now, Kumuntu.
Hey, Kosi.
Why set Bani Sandals success?
Nah.
Why set Bani Sandals success?
We shy,
We shy. Mareng itana
Umsono wenza.
Umsono why ulibele ipapa ithuka. Ufuna usenza ngama last minute. Ufuna usenza? Marin Unchebe. Kosi, all the best for the season. All the season. Madi masiponsile Kosi came all out. Sa umntana lo. Sa stadium. Kosi. Ucruise masimgayeni chance. Isibonile stadium. If singabuya sibuya amabhuvuzela.
Yes.
Regala iKaizer Chiefs. Let us buy authentic wares. Sibe sharp. No more ngama-phone call guys.
Yes.
No
more phone call.
Hayi ama-phone call iPirates ibhakane ikhuphe ejezi elihle. iSundowns bana ama-style 2.
Yes.
Hayi Chiefs yababa ngisho.
Hey.
Inkhumbuzo usizwe Mtawu.
Let us follow more YouTube.
And guys,
Talking Football with D on YouTube, ne?
Umnandi D.
Yes. Udi umnandi.
Nase Eastern Cape ngizobaxelela ngawo.
Ubaxelela butwa.
Nase Velcom bazoyazi.
Away. Thank you so much.
We love you guys.
Away. Welcome to Talking Football with D. My brother. Zimdola ne. Hey, Zimdola, ke tshwere Zimdola. We won the game namhla. How did you see the game?
But vele wasiba Ramtutu akimrathi but
Man,
Lamtutu. Kodwa hey, yena udlale kahle shem.
sure.
Udlale kahle one chance uLamtutu wawina. Kodwa lana hayi akalibona.
Mara, your players are not taking shots.
Yeah, Scotland was just playing.
Yes.
Udlala nje kodwa hayi uLamtutu.
And all the passes were at the back, not forward.
Yeah, kodwa uLamtutu angeke bathathe lutho. Ngalanto abadlalela angeke.
Ubani number 14 win. He's so good. The captain.
Abubakar Moffat.
He's very good.
It's very good, but iChiefs yamfuna phela uMoffat kodwa.
Oh, Chiefs yamfuna.
Yeah, because mfana ukwadlala eSpain, wabuya wadlala eZimbabwe. Hayi umnandi. Hayi number 5 umbona kanjani la weNamibia la umnandi.
Yes.
Umnandi bafana bakithi kodwa.
Hard luck for the loss today.
Yeah.
Hard luck.
Olamtutu abantu abazawina.
Yeah.
Hayi kahle.
Sharp.